Hello everyone, there's an interesting story. So apremilast is one of the drugs which is used in allopathic medicine to treat moderate to severe type of psoriasis. It is used as maintenance therapy for moderate and it can be added with methotrexate in severe type of psoriasis. It decreases the phosphodiesterase enzyme which decreases signs and symptoms of psoriasis. Now, it is a good drug which requires no investigations because it is comparatively safe. So 37-year-old male came to me with erythematous scaly plaque, basically a case of stable plaque psoriasis. He was taking this drug apremilast. Now what does unstable plaque psoriasis mean? So in this, lesions might become more erythematous or new gutted lesions will start appearing, but it wasn't in this case. It was a complete case of stable plaque psoriasis, and due to this, if you look at the overall picture, it is kapha pitta dominant because stairya or stability is a feature of kapha, utsed is a feature of kapha, and rag is a feature of pitta. So it is kapha pitta dominant kushta. Now he works in corporate office and psoriasis is considered to be stress sensitive. So rasa dhatu should be considered here. And also rakta dhatu because kushta is rakta projesh vyadhi. So ultimately you have to focus on kapha pitta dosh, rasa dhatu and rakta dhatu. Now let's plan Ayurvedic treatment. After the generalized arm pachan, with the help of sutra, vireka upavas sravanam shonitasya for rakta projesh vyadhi, I carried out virechan. After the virechan, the lesions reduced by 10%, but aggravated again. Now this time I gave Rasamanikya, which is Kafavat Shamak, Praval Basma, Tridosh Shamanam Balyam, Vishesha Kafavatanud, also Swarnamakshik, which is Kafavitta Shamak and Yoga White drug, and our favorite Sariva Churna. I continued this medicine for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, but with no results. Literally 5 to 10% results used to appear, otherwise there were no results. While continuing the same medication, I carried out Raktamokshan also. The lesions used to get reduced by 10-20% but aggravates again. So he was trusting me a lot. So in this process he said कि नहीं, I trust you, तुम ही करो. Whenever I used to ask him कि कैसा है अभी, to make me feel happy, he used to say नहीं अभी control है. But the lesions were still stable for literally 5-6 months. So we started from April and finally we reached October. So in October, I thought of carrying out Virechan again, and now this time with Manibhadra Aule. Now guess what? The lesion reduced by 30-40%. And after the Virechan, I also added Vaikrant Bhasma. Now Vaikrant Bhasma is Param Twacham and also indicated in Kushta. So when there is chronicity, just like chronic psoriasis, you can add Vaikrant Bhasma. So I added Vaikrant Bhasma with the same drugs I had mentioned earlier, and he responded well in 1 or 2 months. Now lesions has reduced by 90% or 95%, and he is feeling happy. Even I am happy. But this was a case of psoriasis which I treated for more than 8 months. So skin disorder takes time.